am reviewing the Masters Laser Screwdriver. And here it is. Oh, that's the wrong one. Here it is, Masters Screwdriver. So, on the box, it's pretty detailed. We have these Sonic screwdriver right there. It's in the case. We have the Master right here. Beloved Master. He's awesome. And it says the 10th thing, because he was in the 10th Doctor era. It has 10th Doctor 2005 to 2010. Then right here, the Masters Laser Screwdriver. Pretty detailed. Then here, spring-loaded extendable emitter. And then up here, it says features light and 2 sound effects, laser and aging. Then up here, Doctor Who. And then some jibber jabber. You have to be 5 years or older. And there's more like warnings and stuff down there. And undergroundtoys.com. The back. Pretty cool. We got the Doctor Who logo right there. The Masters Laser Screwdriver. Right there features 2 sound effects, laser and aging, and spring-loaded extendable emitter. The 9th Doctor from 2005 to 2010. You know, when the rest is just jibber jabber that nobody ever reads. So now we're on to the opening, which I'm already doing. Here it is. This is most blessed day of my life. Here it is. It's awesome. So these are the two. So you heard the first one, and then there's this one, and also the lights. They do the same thing for both sound effects. Really good lights. Then it goes down into it like this, so it's lower. And then if you do this, it opens up. Now if you hold it, yeah, it does the same again. It's really detailed. It's got the thingy, so the master can only use it. The button. It does have speaker holes in there, but I like to pretend that they're just vents or something like that. Little gridded pattern on this is really good. I like it. That again is a thing. Pops up. Awesome. Now this thing down here looks kind of like the 10th and the 9th and 10th Doctor Sonic right there, because of the crackle effects. The one downside is that it says CE right there. Oh, it's just so annoying. I mean, I don't mind the speaker holes. They're big and bulky and kind of weird looking, just awkward. But this, I'm just thinking about taking something and just taking it off. But other than that, I can just still cover it up for like background shots when I'm taking a picture. One, I can cover it up. And two, I don't care about the speaker holes. You're old now. I don't know. Unless that one's the aging. Well, I think it was. I'm pretty sure it's this one. Yeah, I think this is the aging one. But it's really nice. I love just the 3 towers that are just different sizes. It's just awesome. So it is really good. It has really good detail. Crackle effect. But yeah, the crackle effect on this is cut into the plastic, not painted. But it's still really good. It's got some pretty good detail. I mean, it could use some modifications, like, you know, making the speaker hole just inside this, if there was a speaker hole or not. it would have looked better, basically. Because I mean, right here is holding it like this in the picture, so you can't see the side. It might have speakers in it, but I love it. It's just amazing, and it fits in my hand really well. Instead of this one, which is like my hand is like half as big, and this one it works. This one it works when it's up. This one it doesn't do the sound. You have to press the button. Not reviewing that today. But anyway, this one is amazing. It is just amazing. Amazing. It is just really cool. It is just really cool. Sucks. I'm looking at the effects on my computer to add. Oh right, sonic screwdriver. Huh. Oh god, that looks really weird. Welcome to the movie. This just renders red, green. Wait, if this renders green, and if I lower this, it just kind of glows. This one renders blue. Do I have anything blue in here? It renders that blue, but everything else is gray. Oh my god. Huh. I'm just going to turn that off, so that's pretty much it. Bye-bye! I won't do that anymore. You're probably sick now for all that stuff. Goodbye.